What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be covering my 5 favorite ways to make money in 2021 while only having at most $250. So let's go ahead and get into it. There's so many side hustles you can start in 2021 with just a laptop and Wi-Fi connection that it can almost get overwhelming at times. So what I've done today is I've compiled my 5 favorite ways to make money online. Coming in at number 5, you can make $30 an hour with absolutely no skill, and that is Instacart. Instacart is a grocery delivery service that really picked up steam in 2020 when everything closed down. I've had friends sign up to do this that have lost their jobs, and they end up making over $30 an hour with no absolute skill here. The only thing you're going to need is a smartphone, a car, and some gas money to get you through up until you get paid that first week. Coming in at number 4 is trading stocks or cryptocurrency. I long-term trade myself with cryptocurrency in particular. I'm extremely passionate about blockchain, and I actually paid off my college with an investment I made in 2020. And you can take this way farther than I have. You can swing trade, which is trading a few times a week. You can even day trade. And you can do this with stocks and cryptocurrency. And there are people out here making great money. If you take an investment that's a couple $100s and you put it into something that 10x's, that's $2,000. You do that one more time that year, that's $20,000. And I know you're thinking, Chris, 10x, what are you talking about? Well, last month I had a friend who invested in the Degen Ape Academy, which is an NFT project on the Solana system, which is a type of cryptocurrency. And they ended up putting in a couple $100 that's now worth over $20,000. And although that is not likely to happen, much smaller gains are if you research properly and you put in that work. Coming in at number 3, Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. If you watched the interview I did with the guys at Sellozo, an Amazon PPC company, one of them mentioned Facebook dropshipping. And this is where you buy things from eBay, Amazon, or Walmart and you relist them on Facebook Marketplace. I know this sounds absolutely crazy, but I've actually had some pretty good results so far. I plan on making a 30-day update for you guys, which you'll see here soon. Now, the thing is I don't know how sustainable this is long-term, and there are much more in-depth videos on YouTube to research on this. However, I think it is a great way to make some substantial cash with little capital to get your ball rolling. So far, it's been a very easy way to make some substantial cash with very little money. Currently, where I'm sitting at, I've spent $187 and I've made $85. Now, coming in at number 2 is selling on Amazon. This should not be a surprise for anyone that's followed the channel because that's primarily what my channel is around, is selling on Amazon. However, I am going to single out 2 specific business models on Amazon. Number 1 being going to book sales. I did a video on this, but you can easily go to a book sale, scan books to find profit, and turn that $100 that you spend into $500-600, maybe even closer to $1,000. Now, if you want to go to retail stores and you don't want to go to book sales, you can do retail arbitrage at outlets like Target, Walmart, anything along those lines, and you could take that $200 some and get 100 to 200% ROI on your return on your money. Now, you are going to have those stores within your area, but you can definitely do that. And I think it's a great foot in the door to start selling on Amazon. I always tell people to start there. And if you don't have a lot of money, and then you can learn how the whole operation works and then scale yourself into some more long-term business models like wholesale or private label. And coming in at number 1, I'm going to have to say going to garage sales to sell on third-party marketplaces such as eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and the list goes on. So this is how I actually quit my job, and this is how I started selling online. I would go to garage sales at the crack of dawn, find things to sell for profit because the good stuff will go, and then I would flip it on eBay. I specifically focused on video games, more so retro video games, because I really love them and it was something I just knew a lot about. I recommend starting with something that you know and you're passionate about. It could be car parts, it could be makeup, could be clothes, and go after those particular items, and the markup is astounding. My biggest flip was turning over $70 into over $1,000. I bought this baseball card for $70 and I ended up selling it on eBay for around $1,200 back in 2013. And you can't even imagine how exciting that is. I think this is the number 1 side hustle for 2021. All right, guys, if you do want to learn more about selling on Amazon or anything else, I recommend checking out the playlist I have in the description below. 1 or 2 videos a day will really go a long way. Also, check out the free Facebook group and all of the other links in the description below. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you this Wednesday for an interview and then the live stream on Friday. See you next time.